Good morning and welcome to the day vlog. So we all are set and today is Nitish's wedding. So we have to leave like in next 10 minutes. So we are gonna click some pictures. We wanted to start the vlog from home and it's 2 hours drive to reach to Titusville where they will be getting married. I am all set. I'll be wearing my coat once I reach there. And look at the babe. Look at the babe. She is all ready.
Yeah.
And all set.
So excited.
And Mama is also ready. Just making sure all the plans are good. So everybody is looking gorgeous. And I have already dropped Marvel at Lisa's place. She's a dog sitter who lives like 10 minutes away and Marvel knows her pretty well. So he is always happy to go to her. So he is over there and tomorrow once I come back I'm gonna pick him up. So for now, let's just click some pictures and rush to the car because we have to hit the road in like 10 minutes.
Okay guys, so we are taking a quick stop at Dunkin' Donuts to get a little bit of breakfast because we did not eat anything. We just had tea and we got ready and we came out. So Mayank is gone to get some egg and cheese croissant, Dunkin' Donut for Mama and some coffee for Mama. So
Boston cream नहीं है, खत्म हो गए.
तो
normal chocolate लगा frosted ले लूँ? Okay. और coffee, iced coffee है.
Iced coffee, yes. And so we'll be reaching there in like another 30-35 minutes, so super excited. The egg and cheese croissant and look at Maya. So that it's closed, don't go back. He has napkin all over the place. Anyways, Mama enjoyed the donut and she's having her coffee, cold coffee. And
please let us know if you guys are the ones who love to eat when you drive.
Yes, because we love doing that. So anyways, let's go.
Now pronounce you husband and wife. We are here in the temple. This is Manav Mandir in Melbourne and we have the bride in our car, my brother and Mama coming, and let me show you the bride. She is all ready and dressed up, but I'm not gonna show everything right now. She's gonna have a special entrance here once everyone is here, so stay tuned for that.
Whoa, you got the beats!
साथ यारों ने गेड़ा कर मन मारी
Just get carpets and roll. Just get carpets and roll.
Do not enter. Yet.
Up now with your right leg, just put a little bit of rice. Push. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. You do it again. Just touch,
put your
touch,
just
touch
touch
your
your
touch your leg like this. Yes. And now?
No. Stop them.
Oh, you cannot go inside now. You're not going to take your wife inside until you give me something. My gift, please.
You cannot enter. I am holding this. Leave it.
Allowed to enter.
No, you cannot enter. I totally forgot about this.
Top one.
Where's the gift?
Oh, thank you. Let's see what do I have.
Make sure I give the right one.
Not the gift. This time you don't allow until you give the gift. First let her come inside. Okay. And now right leg you come, right leg you put in this one by one. One leg you put in this and then you put it here. Yes. Now left also you put it there and then put it here on the paper. Again you can put like this. One more.
Start.
It's okay. It's okay. Bas. And this is for my dear daughter. She is getting a gift from her mom. Love you, baby. Love you. We love you so much. Now you are my daughter. Come. Hold this. Hold this. And now she will wear this, which she has. You have come inside. Now you will wear this story. Come, Yashu, you also come now?
Yeah.
I'm collecting everything from behind. Go.
I'm doing the cleaning from the back.
Never mind.
Are you holding it?